morning all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, August 30th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and the NQ. So after a tremendous rally yesterday, I said last night I wouldn't be surprised if we get some consolidation this morning. Well, so far the whole overnight has been spent either above the upper distribution or inside of it. So the bulls are still holding on pretty firm up here. Remember, ES and righty had a triple distribution day. NQ had a double distribution day. Right now, NQ is basically doing the same. Righty's pulling back a bit, as you can see. They're pulling back into a set of single prints. Again, it's very early. We still have 75 minutes to go prior to the opening, so we'll see what happens. Remember, tomorrow morning is PCE at 8:30, and then Friday is non-farm payroll at 8:30 Friday morning. So the market in the S&P broke out of an inside week to the upside, broke out of a 9-day balance to the upside. So the daily is now up, the monthly with 2 days to go is in balance, and the weekly is pretty much looking like it's going to be up by the end of the week. Now, as far as the game plan today, we talk about this a lot. We are dealing with fragile traders that turn on a dime. So yesterday, where you had so much MGI in favor of the bulls that you could lean on, today could possibly be a different story. Those single prints that were great to lean on could become targets for these heat-seeking algos. So we're going to have to keep that in mind. Plus, yesterday you had everything in favor of the bulls. Right now, early this morning, it's pretty much an even game because you're in balance in value. So yes, it was a big, strong trend day yesterday with a P shape, but there's nothing in favor of the bulls yet this morning as they're in balance in value. So where can we take some trades for a game plan? Well, again, first and foremost, yesterday's high isn't that important to me because already we've come out of balance. So the overnight high is going to be the important one. Talk about this all the time. If we can't get the overnight high, odds are you'll get the overnight low, and then we can take back at least some of this trend day from yesterday and spend some time consolidating. On the flip side, if you hold the overnight low and do get the overnight high, well, then you're not going to be doing much consolidating, and there is a price vacuum above us. We said the next target's about $3 away. So we're going to see which side wins out on that. So again, initially, if it was to push up, you want to take a short against the overnight high. You can certainly do that. Above it, though, any acceptance above it, I'd be careful because, like I said, the market can start running again. On the flip side, if we get the overnight low, I would expect to take back some of these single prints, consolidate. So where is a long? I mean, can you take a long against the overnight low where it is right now? Of course you can. Now, again, there's a lot of time left. We're not sure where the overnight high or low is going to be. It's a very tight overnight right now. Again, I'm in 4s, I believe, in here. Yeah, so this isn't exact, but the overnight high is somewhere around 16, 17, and the overnight low is around 96. So it's only a $2 range in the overnight. I would expect that to get stretched prior to 9:30. Okay? But yes, you can take a long against the overnight low, against the afternoon pullback and high, maybe against in the middle distribution. But again, you're going to have to see what kind of tempo and volume, if we do start coming in, that these algos, how aggressive they'll be to try to seek and destroy these single prints. Again, if you're in the trading room, that's something you're getting up to the minute as the day evolves. And then chart-wise, 2 days to go in the month. The monthly's balance. Here's your weekly. So we have broken out of an inside week to the upside. So I am definitely leaning towards calling the weekly up unless they absolutely fall apart in these next 3 days. And the daily is absolutely firmly up. We did a little bit over average volume yesterday. So again, I'd like to see a lot more than that, but certainly better than having that kind of day on, say, 40 million or 50 million shares. Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing to this channel, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.